Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ramadan Mubarak. May Allah bless us all in this blessed month and fill our homes and our hearts with joy and the desire to pray and fast and donate and do all good deeds to the best of our abilities. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us closer to Him and to make the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam happy, peaceful and prosperous anywhere in the world. This month of Ramadan, inshallah, is an opportunity for us here at Sayyidah Khadija Center to reconnect and renew our vows and our commitment and our bonds that tie us, because the bonds of our faith and the togetherness are greater than anything. My brothers and sisters at SKC Sayyidah Khadija Center, we're looking forward to welcome you, receive you. Inshallah, we have a special month and everything inshallah will be the way you like it. And inshallah, please send us any suggestions, any ideas, because we improve because of your suggestions, and we like to hear from you. Please take care of yourself and do what you can. Assalamu alaikum.